gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in.
Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you.
Yeah, you saw the title, right? So I have some things to share with you guys. It's long I did try on haul. I love my try on haul. It's been a while anyway. So these things, they are from SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I appreciate. You guys know SHEIN. I always admire, appreciate, rock their items because price wise, quality wise, these things I want to share with you guys. If you like anyone, the link to them will be on the description box. I will try as much as possible to get the link on the description. The search, the SKU, the ID of the item, everything is going to be on the description box, even on the screen. I will make it easy for you guys to search these things. They have so many shops on SHEIN, and in SHEIN, yeah, those of this, most of the stores are bomb. Okay, so I was able to like pick some things for some pieces for you guys that you guys are going to see. They are so gorgeous. I can bring them out just to share with you guys, but I prefer it more when I try them on. Me, I wear M. I'm size medium. If you are my size, you can know what you're going for, right? Then if you're not my size, you know what you do. So that is why I like trying everything. If not, I can just bring them out and share with you guys. So but this time around, like I always do, I'm going to try them on. I prefer it that way. I know you guys prefer it that way as well. So they are in here. There are a lot of things, a lot. Bringing them out one by one, and I'm going to wear it. Okay, so first let's bring this out. Which store is this one? The name of the store, I don't know, maybe it will be inside. Let's see. If I tell you guys, to be frank, I forgot what I ordered. I can't really remember what I ordered. What's this? Ooh, to be frank with you guys, I forgot. What's the name of this store? Anyway, the name of the store is not written on it, but I'm going to look for it. Then I'll put it on the screen and also on the description box. Like I said, the SKU number, everything, the code, the ID will be on the screen and also on the description box. Wow, this is a little bit see-through, but we can make it work. Okay, all right. I love these. Oh, okay, let me try it on. Guys, this is it. Oh. that is it for this try on haul from SHEIN. So I'm going to leave all details on the description box. Like I said, the search link, everything will be on the description box, and I will try also to put it on the screen. So don't hesitate to check it out in case if you're interested. So don't hesitate to go to all these shops from SHEIN to look for your choice. Go there, search. You're going to see so many beautiful outfits that will make you slay, trending outfits. Everything is there. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.